Hi everybody, Gage Rowland here with First Auto Credit. Going to do a walk around on a 2017 Paddle King Low Pro Cruiser. This is a trade-in boat we just received. Customer traded in on a 2018 Angler, so went just a year newer and a little bit smaller boat, but a very clean boat. He took very good care of it, owned it about a year. We do a walk around of it real quick. It does have the safety and convenience package that we offer, meaning he's got the two front stainless boat cleats. This boat has a fire extinguisher and a horn on it. Has the powder coated Paddle King trailer with the spare tire mount. The boat is a floor plan number 2 with the half swivel gate up front. You can see it's got the bench, both bench seats on both sides of the boat. One is the Livewell. On the port side, starboard side, is the storage box. Walk around to the starboard side of the boat here. As you can see, no scratches, no dents, no nothing. The guy kept it inside most of its life. Does still have the mooring cover. As you can see there, bimini top and boot cover up there. Bimini top's in great shape. There's no rips or nothing in it. There you can see the fire extinguisher mounted. There's the cover and his poles. It does have the console steer with the Tohatsu 9.8 horsepower 4-stroke. Has power tilt. Has the 4-blade prop on it. I think they call that a torque prop. As we go up here into the boat, just got the 2 rocker switches for the navigation lights and the bilge pump. Flip the seat forward here. Interstate 24 series cranking battery. Got both cup holders there. Fuel cells mounted in here. You could move the fuel cell out to underneath into this area, and then you would gain back your storage under the seat. Just customer preference on that. This boat's listed at $12,900. That does include the boat, motor, and trailer, and exactly everything you see here. Like I said, really nice boat. No major scratches, no major dents. We had our shop go over it. We greased the bearings, went through the motor, changed the oil. It looked perfect. Put Tohatsu 4-stroke oil back in it. Just kind of did a real quick check over of it, and everything turns out to be good. It's already been tested, and water pump's good to go. So if you guys are interested and need a really good last year's model boat, this is the one to have. Just contact Gage at First Auto Credit, and I can send you more pictures or videos of the boat running if you would like. But this boat is ready to go. Still has warranty on the motor, the boat, and the trailer. I think a year left on the boat and trailer and 4 years on the motor. Very nice, clean, simple boat for somebody to have and take out on private lakes, community ponds, or anything like that. So, like I said, contact us at 573-204-7777. Ask for Gage. Like I said, we can send you all the information you need, or send you any kind of flyers or anything on this boat. So subscribe to our channel, give us a like. If you got any questions, you can comment. We check them frequently. So this is Gage at First Auto Credit, doing a quick walk around of our trade-in 2017 Paddle King Low Pro Cruiser. Thanks for watching, guys.